What's up, everybody? It's Piddling Lawnmowers here. I am about to see if this Husqvarny has got any life in it. I'm about to put some real power on it. We're about to see if it'll do anything. Hopefully this isn't a mistake, but I mean the oil looks good and it don't make any noises whenever it turns over, so heck with it. Send it, right? I guess. Let's see here. Brake's not applied. Last time I had to press that brake all the way down manually with my foot before I could turn it over, so that might be what I have to do today. Okay, hold on. Woo! That's wanting to fire up. It's just valves might need adjusted. I don't know. Yeah, it's not wanting to get over that hard spot, is it? Let's give it. Yeah, see, it keeps stopping. Yeah, we're gonna have to adjust the valves on this thing before it'll run, but y'all heard it, I heard it. That's gonna be a runner.